Frankie and Johnny. This is a finger picking song in the key of C. It's a 1-4-5, so it's a C, it's an F, and it's a G. It's played in two different octaves. I play it lower first and then higher second. I'm going to show you the lower part first. I'm just playing a C and a G chord here. So these are the bottom two notes of a C chord, and these are the bottom two notes of a G chord. Except I'm hammering onto the second, so I'm playing the C and then hammer onto the fourth string onto the second fret, open and hammer. And do the same thing down with the G. And that gives you the timing. Once you're comfortable with that C and G and get the timing down, then you go to the melody, which is and you do that along with this C and G that you're playing, so it's, which is what you were already playing, and then as soon as you hit this G, you hit the third string on the second fret. So it sounds like this. Then you go to the seventh, the B flat, which is the seventh of the C chord. Alright, so this whole beginning part again. After the C7, then you move up to an F. You just roll up that F. And there's the melody. Rolling up the F. And then hit this D note, which is the third fret on the second string.
And then the C
and then
note.
lift up your finger so you get that open B. Then the second fret on the third string. And then back down to the C chord. Alright, so the whole beginning part sounds like this. So after I come off of this F chord back down to the C, then add another G in there just to keep the time. So it's and what I'm doing there, the melody there, open on the third string, 2, open, and this is an E flat, which is the first fret of the fourth string, and then open on the fourth string. And then it's open, E this with the chords, starting at the F. Sometimes I do and sometimes I do a C, just straight up without the hammer on. In fact, I never do it the same way twice. And so that finishes it off for the lower octave verse, and then we're gonna play this a couple times before we get to the upper octave. Chords are the same in the second octave, so we're going to start off with a C, and we're going to play this C as your first melody note, and then when it gets to the G chord, you're going to play this A note as your melody, but you have to hit the G bass here. Seventh, and then from the seventh you go to the F, and at that time with the F I'm just playing around on this third fret with my pinky. The same back down to the C. So the C and the F part for this part is to this B flat run, which is so it's 3-3, slide up to 5, 3, and then the fourth on the second string, and then the D note, which is of the G chord, and then up to the E flat, B, and back down to C. So the whole second part looks like this.